Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you something that, this thing, I got this for my wife. I bought this for my wife as a gift, and I have to say that we are having so much fun. This is advertised for kids 3, 4, 5, 6 years old. I believe that is for your inner kid. I believe that is for your inner child because you can have so much fun. You know what we're doing with this? By the way, this one comes with 64 pieces. It also, you're going to apply it with a USB-C cable. It comes with the USB-C cable actually, but let's plug it right here on the side. So it's powered by the USB-C cable. You don't need extra batteries or something like that. You load the toys right here. You load the toys right here on the back. Just nice and easy. And by the way, it comes with 64 pieces and different models. This is kind of like a bunny or something like that. And it comes with some other more. I do love that it comes with fake coins. So you can actually play with your kids. But you know what we're doing with this? Let's say that you need to do the dishes. So we play 3 coins each, 3 rounds each, and whoever wins doesn't actually do the dishes. I think that is fantastic. Let's actually drop some coins so you can see this one better. By the way, it comes with music. I'm not going to be playing the music because my video can get muted or something like that. But this one comes with music as well. It comes with lights and everything. It's fantastic. Let's actually check it out. Okay, let's go. I'm going to drop the coin right here. And this one, it's ready. So you can actually see that this one manages the claw, just like go left, go right, just like that. It's super cool just to have. Doesn't have to be for kids. Come on. I'm gonna try to grab this one. It's not super easy. I have to say that it's not really easy. With this one, where you go up and you go down. So, oh, I think I got it. Oh, come on. I got it. That is so cool. So let's actually see if I can drop it right here. No! I switched. It was not that button. It was the other one. But you can see how cool this thing is. You can do these toys. You can do the other ones. You can do some like plastic balls. You can change the background as well. And whenever you're ready, you kind of like turn it off and just like play some other day. This is fantastic, either for your kids or for your inner child.